attention. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1. Morphs into 2. Morphs into 3, 1. Morphs into 2. 2 goes into 3. 1, 2, 3. You're opening throughout all everything.
Yeah.
Triadic Resonance.
That's interesting.
If you have your hand right there, sitting
Uh-huh.
on a subway, have your hand right here, sitting on a subway, anywhere, and practice that over and over and over, then when you touch a person, you truly touch them.
Uh-huh.
And I gave this Triadic Resonance last year in Switzerland, in Basel.
Yeah.
And a woman wrote me the next day, beautiful mail. She said, I was walking through the streets of Basel going home,
Uh-huh.
and I stopped to look in a jewelry shop. And a woman walked up to me and started doing the same thing. One woman was I've forgotten that, a Korean woman, I think a Korean woman.
Uh-huh.
And, or I'm reversing it. And she was looking in, and they started talking. And the woman started talking about her life, and she was sad because she had been with a Swiss man for a year and a half, and he just broke off everything. And so she was very sad. So the woman had just taken the workshop. So for a Swiss person to do this is outrageous.
Yeah, sure.
She said, would you like me to hold your hand?
Oh.
And the woman said yes.
Huh.
So she went over it and she held her hand and did Triadic Resonance while she was holding her hand. You open here, stimulate the nerve impulse into the brain, love, compassion, understanding.
Right.
Woman sat there and cried. At the end of it, she said, I'm done, it's over. Walked away. So
Okay.
it's pretty powerful. And you put it on your heart. Put it on your heart on a bad day. And a good day, to just acknowledge your heart, carrying you through your life. It doesn't have to be always working with something negative. So it's powerful. It really is. So the holding hands exercise is I would have an Alexander teacher. I'll just do it. And you can do this with your people.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to come up and work with you. Okay, I feel what I feel. I need to release you here, I know that.
Yeah. Always.
Okay, all right, so then I'm here, then I'm here. Now, I'm just going to hold your hand. This is what we're going to do now.
You have to sing the Beatles song.
Hmm?
You have to sing the Beatles song.
Yeah, I want to hold your hand, right. So that's all I'm going to do is just hold your hand. I'm not going to do anything specific. We're just holding hands.
Okay. Well, my body's going somewhere else.
Well, that's because that's what I do when I touch anybody. But I'm just holding your hand. And so now we're just in a human exchange, but I'm just holding your hand. Now I could start doing Triadic Resonance, which I'll do. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. And now I put my hands on you. My hands should feel different.
Oh, they're very different.
It's very different.
Whoa. Huh. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
En deux, trois. In Korean, 1, 2, 3.
하나, 둘, 셋. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, good pronunciation.
Yeah, she got it.
Yeah.
I'm the klutz.
Oh. Okay, interesting.
So you could, before you do your, you
Hands
can't
on.
do it with everybody. You can do it with some people.
Well, I have a small
And
group.
you'll say, you can explain the Triadic Resonance.
Right.
And they have to have the experience of how, if they hold the hand this way as opposed to this way, it's going to open up.
Well, this makes sense because right away this is like,
Well, it's the ulnar and the radius.
yeah,
Yeah, and then when you're like that, you open.
everything
everything,
opens.
yeah.
It's Jesus Christ,
Yeah, it is.
it's
It is.
it's Leonardo, it's Mudras.
But you could work with them and then say, here, I'm just going to hold your hand.
Uh-huh.
And you hold your hand for, a minute.
Hmm.
And then work with them. And it'll be different work.
So interesting. I love to hear my dad speak, obviously, when you're teaching. It's interesting because it's not a comparison. It's more like another way as teachers that we can also, get better, right? Of understanding.
Of course.
But one of the things that I do with my teachers in the beginning is I go, it's really nice to meet you.
Yeah.
That's the first thing we all do. Let's all just take each other's hands. And I go, let's just touch each other and say it's nice to meet you. That
Well,
immediate
then do
shaking
the
of the
exercise.
hand,
Then have people hold hands with each other.
Yeah,
And then say, nice to meet you.
interesting.
Or an even better one, all this stuff comes from Julie and her dad,
Yeah,
is that when you're doing the wave
yeah,
and you've got the motion coming in
yeah,
and going out,
yeah,
the tide comes in, the tide wave goes
Goes
out,
out,
the
yeah.
tide goes out,
yeah,
comes in.
yeah,
When I was scattering ashes in Santa Barbara,
yeah.
she came in and she said, I came in with the tide, I left with the tide. Now I'll
Okay.
return again.
Uh-huh.
There's no beginning, there's no end. And that no beginning, no end goes into apnea. There's movement towards, movement away, movement away, movement towards. Tell the story. Tell the story. It's in the back of the book. Read the
Yeah,
story in the back of the
yeah,
book
yeah,
and tell
yeah.
the story and teach from that point of view.
That's cool.
And they get an understanding.